Let's be real for a second. Your CRM, it's not a system. It's basically a landfill. Bad data is killing deals, messing up your forecasts, and making your sales team chase ghosts. And if you think it's fine, it's probably worse than you realize. I'm Jelena. This is AI for Sales Edge. And today I'm going to show you how top teams are using AI to fix bad data at scale. Let me take you back to when I took over a sales region in Central and Eastern Europe. First thing I did was pull the CRM, and I saw what a lot of sales leaders see when they step into the new role. Years of turnover and shifting priorities, leaving behind outdated data. Old contacts, old numbers, emails that bounce back, not because people were not doing their job, but because in a fast-moving sales world, updating records often takes a backseat to actual closing deals. The problem is, your forecast, your board updates, your strategy, they're all built on top of that messy data. And that's not just inefficient, it's liability. And here is the reality. What I saw is not rare. Every sales organization ends up with the same problem sooner or later. Messy data piling up over time. And you're not going to fix it by telling your reps to just follow up more or by dumping more leads in the system. You fix it by making your CRM smarter automatically. No salespeople is going to sit there and manually verifying 500 leads, but AI can do it in a minute. Let me show you what that looks like in an action. OpenAI had a backlog of over 8,000 stale records. They ran it all through Clay, layered in some cloud AI, and cleaned the whole list in under 48 hours. Suddenly, those 8,000 stale leads turned into verified, ready-to-sell accounts. No interns, no manual checks, just fast, high-speed cleaning. That's one way to bring stale leads back to life at speed. But what if you could stop junk leads before they even hit your pipeline? Take Quanta, a security compliance platform. They made sure every new sign-up got through Clay for real-time scoring. Only real leads made it to the sales queue. No more chasing random clicks from block traffic. And now, closer to home, a SaaS company in the UAE added Clearbyte and Zapier to their stack. Every inbound lead was enriched automatically, and guess what? Their bounce rate dropped by 40%. No more wasting time on leads that never should have gotten through in the first place. So what we have here? 3 companies, 3 different ways, and same outcome. Clean data, sharper focus, and pipeline that actually closes. So what does this all mean inside your own organization? Let's break it down by role. If you're a sales leader, just remember, your reps are not lazy. They're chasing ghosts because the data is off. RevOps, your forecasts are built on fake contacts. How's that going to look at the next board review? And CFOs, if your CRM is not clean, your pipeline is not real. You're basically funding fiction. Here's the reality. Enrichment might sound a bit scary, but the alternative is way worse. Some teams hesitate thinking, what if enrichment messes up our fields? But honestly, what's worse is letting your salespeople guess all day with broken data. Start small. Just take your cold leads. Let AI clean them up. When that list starts outperforming your active pipeline, you will know it's time to scale. CFOs are not trusting spreadsheets anymore. They're trusting verified pipelines. AI is not just enrichment, it's insurance for your revenue. RevOps, start with those bounce leads and ghost contacts. That's where the next quarter's revenue is hiding. You don't need a brand new CRM. You just need to make the one you have smarter. Pick a tool. Clay, Clearbyte, Apollo. Take a batch of cold leads and enrich them. Update the info, fill in gaps, and then compare the results. Every day your CRM stays dirty, your forecast is more fiction than fact. You're not just losing deals, you're building strategy on sand. Fix your data or fade quietly. And if you're done planning guesswork, subscribe. And this week, ask your team one question. What percentage of our leads would you actually bet on? If it's under 50%, it's time to clean the house.